quiet aftermath of time, the rusted hull rests, a silent testament to days gone by.
Look at the condition of this roof. It's beyond saving, just turning to dust right before my eyes. The lift is secure. Now, let's see what treasure is buried underneath this beauty. All right, on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Slow and steady. Watch your grip, that rust is sharp. Move it back a little more. Good. All right, these vintage taillights and headlight buckets are packed and ready to go to the shop. Should be a pretty straightforward job to restore them. Let's get these loaded up. Okay, here we go. This one's really stubborn. Just got to get the right angle and pull. There it goes. Man, that was a tough one. All right, easy now. Slowly, man, don't drop it. Yeah, watch your step, setting it down.
With the torch set, I begin stitching the quarter panel to the wheel tub. The sparks fly as the filler metal flows, connecting the two pieces. This is the final step before the primer. Getting the filler perfectly smooth is crucial for a flawless paint job.
Welcome to scene 63 of our project. As requested, we are animating the video based on the provided image of this vintage sedan in a primer.
You got that side?
Almost. Just finishing this edge.
Good, good. Ready for the tape check?
All right, let's get this aligned. Ready when you are. Slow and steady. Yeah, looks good. Keep going.
Looks good. See that seal there?
Perfect.
It's solid.
Just needed that final adjustment.
The chrome trim along this tail fin is pristine, exactly as I expected.
You can see the craftsmanship here.
Just perfect. And
all right, now that the rug is cut to size, we just need to drop it in. Fits like a glove, and that's a wrap on the restoration. All right, let's get this classic looking good. Just a little push, just a little push. There we go, perfect. All right, just need to tighten this latch mechanism right here. Test the handle, perfect. Now let's close it up, smooth as silk. All right, just gotta get this fitted in here. Need to make sure it's snug against the sides. A little bit more to the left, yeah, that's better.
The stitching on this original leather is incredible, and the frame seems to be perfectly preserved. I just need to make a minor